Meaning of expressionist.
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 Expressionist. Expressionist refers to a style of art that prioritizes the artist's subjective emotional experience over the objective representation of reality. This movement emerged in Germany in the early 20th century and is characterized by bold brushstrokes, vivid colors, and distorted forms that seek to convey the inner turmoil or ecstasy of the artist. The works of expressionists often feature highly charged and dramatic scenes that aim to provoke an emotional response from the viewer. This approach to art has had a lasting impact on modern art and continues to be influential today.